Students, now we are solving the numericals of running chapter number 8. Now, in text questions, textbook page number 109. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. Now, uh, here we have a word from rest. So from rest it means the initial velocity u is equal to 0 because the bus is starting. Now a is equal to 0.1 meter per second square. हमको यूनिट के ऊपर से कौन सी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है उसका भी यूनिट से पता चल जाता है. तो मीटर पर सेकंड इज द यूनिट फॉर एक्सीलरेशन and here the time 2 minutes, but in our unit we have second, so minute should be converted into second. It means 120 seconds. 120 seconds. The speed acquired, it means v should be find and the distance traveled s should be find. Now v from our equation number 1, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. We are discussing result number a. V is equal to u plus at. U is equal to 0, a 0.1, t 120 is equal to 0 into 1 to 0, 0.0 plus 0.0 plus it is 0.1 into 120, so it is 12 meter per second. 12 v is the velocity, hence v is equal to 12 meter per second. This is our result number a and this is result number b. The distance traveled, so we have equation again, the third equation, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So s is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a, because we have to find s. V square, so v is equal to 12, 12 square minus u square means 0 square, 2 into 0.1, 2 into 0.1, so it is 144. 2 into 0.1, it means 0.2 is equal to, this is meter, because s is distance and distance is measured in meter. So 14.4 upon 2, sorry, 1440 upon 2, so 2, the bus traveled 720 meter. So 12 square 144, 0 square 0, 2 into 0.1 0.2, it is 2 upon 10, 10 is going up, and 1440 upon 2 to 720 meters. So distance traveled by the bus is 720 meter and the velocity is 12 meter per second. Now A train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Acceleration, negative acceleration means retardation. The driver applied brake. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. To rest. So to rest, it means final velocity should be zero. So final velocity should be zero. Traveling speed 90 km per hour, it means u is equal to 90 km per hour. 90 km per hour, 90 into 1000 upon 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. 18 2 za 18 5 za 5 2 za 10 2 2 5 za 20. It means 25 meter per second. So 25 meter per second is the u, and a acceleration, we have acceleration also minus 0.5 meter per second square. Now we have equation 2as is equal to v square minus u square. S is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. V square, v is equal to 0 minus u 25, 2a minus 0.5, 0 minus 625 upon 2 5s are 10, it means 1. 5 upon 10, तो 5 2 and 2 2 cut, मतलब minus 1, minus cut is equal to 625 meter. Train traveled 625 meter after applying the brake. Now, third, a trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second. Here 2 centimeter per second square, we have to convert it in meter per second square. What will be its velocity? 3 velocity 3 seconds after the start. So after 3 seconds, we have to find velocity. So we have acceleration A is equal to 2 centimeter per second square. 2 centimeter per second square, it means 2 centimeter converted into meter, so 2 upon 100. Or the other way is to find velocity in centimeter per second. तो whatever मतलब कि जो इजी लगे वही हमको करना चाहिए. या तो एक्सेलरेशन 2 सेंटीमीटर है, उसको कन्वर्ट करके मीटर पर सेकंड में आंसर लाओ, या तो यहाँ सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर है तो वेलोसिटी भी सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में ही लाओ. तो चलो ऐसे ही करते हैं, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में ही वेलोसिटी ले लेते हैं. तो व्हाट विल बी द वेलोसिटी आफ्टर? नाउ inclined plane has an acceleration u is equal to 0. v should be find. तो v is equal to u plus 80. तो v इज इक्वल टू u, अच्छा t इज इक्वल टू 3 सेकेंड, तो u 0, a 2, तो v इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 3 टू ज़ा 6, therefore v इज इक्वल टू 6 centimeter per second. So this is the velocity in centimeter per second. If we convert it into meter per second, the centimeter should be converted into meter, is equal to 6 upon 100 meter per second is equal to 0.06 meter per second. So this is the velocity after 3 seconds. Now fourth one. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward directions with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during the motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, then what will be the height attained by the stone and what time will it take to reach there? So a stone is thrown. Now okay, I have in this textbook. So u is equal to, in a we have a stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity 5 meter per second square. So 5 meter per second, u initial velocity 5 meter per second, final velocity the at a certain height, if we throw 5 meter per second velocity, the stone goes upward and at some time and at certain height it will the velocity will be 0. A acceleration we have 10 meter per second square, 10 meter per second square. So we have to find distance, height and how much time. So first we have to find u. So we have v is equal to u plus at. So v 0, u plus a 10 and t. Okay, here the body goes upward. It is in the opposite direction of the gravitation. So we have acceleration minus, because the acceleration in a short of time acceleration should be lowered. जैसे जैसे बॉडी है वो हाइट बढ़ती जाएगी, एक्सेलरेशन कम होता जाएगा, इसीलिए एक्सेलरेशन हमको नेगेटिव लेना पड़ रहा है. u5, सॉरी, वी हैव 5 हियर. ओके, तो माइनस 10t, तो हियर 10t इज इक्वल टू 5, देयरफॉर t इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 10. तो t इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2. 1 अपॉन 2, इट मीन्स 0.5 सेकेंड. तो 0.5 सेकेंड में कुछ वो हाइट है वो ट्रैवल करेगा, लेकिन उसके लिए उसको 0.5 सेकेंड लगेगी. नाउ 2as इज इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर. तो s इज इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर अपॉन 2a. तो v इज इक्वल टू 5 स्क्वायर u स्क्वायर u सॉरी u इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके सॉरी. तो u तो 0. ओके हाँ 0 स्क्वायर u स्क्वायर v स्क्वायर ओ v 0 स्क्वायर माइनस 5 स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 इंटू 10 माइनस 25 अपॉन 20 माइनस 25 अपॉन 20. अच्छा 10 should be minus. Yeah 10 should be minus here. So 10 should be minus here because we have taken 10 minus the body goes upward, so acceleration should be negative. So here minus 20 minus cut 5 5 5 4 5 upon 4 मतलब 4 1 4 4 2 8 and 5 1.25 meter. So after 0.5 second the object stone is attained its height 1.25 meter. Okay, so here we have completed the in-text question.